brief presentation on different kind of narcotics, their effects on humans. Ladies and gentlemen, the total drug economy in the world is worth 435 billion US dollars. It is very surprising to know that there are approximately 685 deaths daily due to overdosage of drugs in the world, as compared to only 39 due to terrorism. You can see the ill effects of drugs, causing a huge number of deaths every day in the world. Anti-Narcotics Force is also cooperating with international partners. We are signatory of all UN conventions. We maintain liaison with all national and international narcotics control authorities and organizations. बहुत सारे मुल्क अभी ड्रग पकड़ने की कोशिश कम कर रहे हैं, और जबकि GDR एक्टिविटीज उन्होंने ज़्यादा कर दी हैं, जिसकी वजह से भी ड्रग्स का रुझान जो है हमारे लिए एक चैलेंज बन रहा है. अफगान रिफ्यूजीज जब तक पाकिस्तान में रहेंगे ये प्रॉब्लम चलती रहेगी, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम अफगान रिफ्यूजीज आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन ड्रग ट्रैफिकिंग. And capacity gap due to shortage of funds and resources constraint. ANF has a very small budget as compared to other organizations, and within that, हमारी capacity, we also have a less manpower. भर्ती होने की कोशिश की यार, we just 3,500 people all over Pakistan. Imagine it's very difficult to handle the whole country with just 3,500 people, but we're still managing it, and Alhamdulillah बहुत successes मिली हैं हमें, और अल्लाह का शुक्र है, और कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इस बुराई को पाकिस्तान से ख़त्म किया जाए.